How to disconnect TikTok from Facebook account. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Facebook application on your device and allow Facebook to send you notifications. Sign in to your account, navigate to three-line menu icon at top right corner. Now choose your profile. Navigate to three dots next to advertise and select edit button. Scroll down. Now look for links. As you can see that the TikTok link has been associated with our Facebook account. To delete it, tap edit button and locate your TikTok link. Select the pencil-like icon to edit that and tap remove link at bottom right corner of your screen and tap remove button, and with that you have successfully removed your TikTok link from your Facebook account profile. So in this way you can easily disconnect TikTok from Facebook account. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.